I got it wired up here for a bench test. Got this machined. I've got my printed in simulated servo cover here, and then on what goes on the other end is this piece. So this piece goes on this end. I've got that one just kind of sitting there. I haven't worked on it yet. Here's the one for this one, so this will sit on here like this. And then the servo controller, and then I've got my, or sorry, the motor controller, and then I've got the servo controller. And then I've got it all wired up, just kind of testing it out because I had to go and take the potentiometer off the board here and then actually have it as a standalone item on the end of the motor there after reversing this shaft. The shaft went the other way. So just doing the test here. Working pretty good. Pardon the mess on the workbench. So this is what it looks like with the hug servo in the shoulder tube. Here on the end, there's a rod that goes here. A belt goes on here. It turns another gear similar to this one on this side that allows the hug motion to occur. And then back here, you have the wiring. Goes up to this motor controller here. Yep, looking pretty good.